should have read the reviews.
Hi, Wojak. So tell me, what happened at the hotel?
Oh, Paula. I booked a luxury hotel in London.
You booked the cheapest one again, didn't you?
It had 4 stars.
Out of 10?
Haha, yeah. This is not the same hotel. Is that the staff? Hi, I have a reservation.
Right, for one night.
Okay. Where is the elevator? I regret everything already.
Okay, Wojak. Let's fix your English first. Always use full sentences.
I was focusing on survival, not grammar. Okay, maybe the room is better. No, it's not. That's not a bed. Oh no, what a great view. I'm not touching this.
Wojak, now you complain. There's a problem with the room. This room is not clean. Can I change rooms? Clear, calm, polite, and confident.
Emotionally unstable but polite. That's it. Enough is enough. My room is terrible.
Why? Is the pickle not to your liking?
That is not the only issue.
This is illegal.
It's your mistake. You booked the survival package.
There is no oxygen.
Correct. So? Okay, just take the penthouse.
Let's try again, Wojak. Remember what we said before?
Clear, calm, polite, and confident.
Exactly. And not aggressive.
Okay, friendly, and nice now. There is a slight problem with my room. Could I change to another room, please?
Please take the penthouse.
Remember, stay calm, be clear, be polite, sound confident.
And maybe don't book the cheapest option.
Thank you for watching our What Happened POV podcast. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see what happened at the London Tube. So, Wojak, do you have any last words?
No, Paula, but do you want to buy dinner again?